So what the important thing is to teach them the small details of what it means to play a sport. Playing a sport means you're totally aware in every moment. You're totally present with what's going on. It's not just ha ha he and kara and you have to be present. You have to do that thing with absolute commitment, with fine details. उससे आपको that same intent can be applied anywhere in life. Because once you're involved in that moment, you will give your best output, whether it's for sport, whether it's for work, anything. It helps you in your attention span and to be able to focus so much. It's so underrated and people don't actually realize this about sport a lot of the times. That's why the people who end up playing sport at a higher level, आप किसी से भी पूछोगे, they are absolutely precisely focused and present in the most stressful moments. वो तो आप कहीं भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो लाइफ में. तो ये चीज सिखाई नहीं जाती है. स्पोर्ट को देखा जाता है सिर्फ मस्ती मजाक के लिए स्कूलों में. लेकिन आप अगर स्पोर्ट खिला रहे हो, अगर आप बास्केटबॉल खिला रहे हो, आप वॉलीबॉल खिला रहे हो, आप मैं बोल रहा हूँ कबड्डी खो खो कुछ भी खिला रहे हो, कुछ भी आप समझाओ उनको कि यार एंगल समझना क्या होता है, एक एंटिसिपेशन क्या होती है चीज. यू नो आप खो खो खेल रहे हो तो वो कहाँ किस तरफ टर्न लेगा, कौन सा बंदा अभी. सो यू स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग अकॉर्डिंगली. आपकी सेंसेस इतनी ज्यादा डेवलप हो जाती हैं that you start becoming intuitive. I'm not kidding. I mean, through playing sport, I've become so intuitive because once you start perceiving the situation कि यार ये कैसा होगा, where would the situation lead to, and you always have that, you know, little bit of insight कि अपनी gut feel से आपको कई चीजें feel होती हैं कि ऐसा करना चाहिए. And once you follow it and it happens, then you start trusting it in every situation, whether it's with people, whether it's with sport, whether anything, whether you're driving, you always get कुछ तो होता है कि oh, you know, I need to be careful here. अपने आप ही आप थोड़ा. So all these things, my senses started developing way more after I started understanding how sport is played because मेरा उधर passion था. Passion. It was something that I absolutely loved doing, so I learned it very differently. For me, it was not fun and games.
You tell me about leadership, Virat, and I mean, leadership is, that's why I just love doing these interviews, right? You just get to know so much more. Leadership एक अंदर knack होता है, but then you also see someone, you sometimes look up to someone. आपके लिए what was leadership? You know, what you learned from sport, maybe anything?
See, leadership, I learned from many people. I learned a lot from MS because I played majority of my career under him, the initial years. But in general, I feel leadership is firstly to be able to take responsibility for yourself.